I'm Amina Rahman. I'm the Programme Coordinator of the Network and Alliances team. Our involvement with the MATES project has been there from the very beginning, I'd say. We've been involved with SAfH, attending the meetings, and MATES was kind of formulated from there, conceived from there.
The forum is a group of independent advice services in Hackney, and that's where MATES comes from. It comes from everybody who is working with and for their communities, wanting to do the best job they can. SAfH have played host to the Advice Forum. The Advice Forum has a structure that is based around the work we want to do, but we haven't got a corporate structure.
How we've supported the MATES project has been through kind of partnership working. We've built on existing partnerships that we've already got with HIAC. How we've done that is we've been involved in the steering group meetings from the very beginning. We've also looked at our other organisations that we work for, the Carers Centre, Age Concern, Hackney Marsh Partnership, who are all part of HIAC, and thought how we can kind of work together for this MATES project. The whole idea of MATES was to train bilingual advisors, multilingual advisors, to give advice and to build capacity in the community. The two elements of it was one day in a classroom with a trainer, and then the other one was actually to go for a placement in an organisation where advice is already being given.
As hosts for funding, and having moved into great offices here with a great training room, other things fell into place. So they've always been members and hosts for SAfH.
Hi, I'm Jo Ellis. I'm the trainer for the training project. I work in Island Advice Centre, and I've been delivering a similar training project for them for about 5 years, and I sort of know through work contacts the people that are involved in Hackney MATES.
The course is great, and it's nice. Even the atmosphere of the course is nice, and the teacher is good, and the coordinator as well. It's helping a lot. When I finish the course, I hope I'm going to practice my skills on my organisation and help my community. And give advice, be a good advisor.
The training project that we deliver is called the Learning to Advise training, and that is a nationally recognised training course produced by Advice UK. We cover, for the first unit, is 4 days of advice skills, 4 days on welfare rights. They do 2 days on debt, where we're covering doing budgets. We do housing, which covers homelessness and possession actions.
My name's Claire Goodridge, and I was appointed as MATES project coordinator in November last year. So I was called in to work 1 day a week to coordinate the programme, which meant working with 10 trainees, all from different backgrounds and different life experiences, and 10 placement organisations, some of which were culturally specific and some were more generalist, established advice agencies. And the feedback has been really gratifying. It's really changed a lot of people's lives, the way they feel that their skills have come on, how they feel they've been able to help people.
So this course helped me to improve my skills, to get qualification, and also now I feel more confident than before.
The MATES programme is now coming to its conclusion, and it started in 2009 after quite a long struggle to get funding. And I just wanted to really mention a few key people who were involved in that struggle in the beginning. Yaroon Chowdhury, who's one of our programme managers, with Andy Benson, who was part of the Hackney Advice Forum. So really pleased that we've been able to do the pilot, which has now taken place. The training has happened, and now we have 9 out of 10 trainees who are now going through the NVQ. part of the study.
SAfH has been really involved in facilitating the actual training days. We have the venue here. We're also managing the finance of the MATES project in terms of making sure that the trainees are receiving their travel expenses, and there's a lot of partnership working, I'd say, and that's one of our strengths in Social Action for Health, and that we already have existing networks, but we're also expanding and building new ones, and through opportunities like MATES we get to go out and find out what else is out there. With the MATES project, they obviously were looking for multilingual advisors, so hence we were looking for community languages. So in the applications we were specifically looking for things like Turkish Kurdish speakers, Polish, we have a French speaker on the course, an Arabic speaker, Bengali. We've got quite a range of languages covered.
After this course, I'm gonna look after a job as a advisor. Hope so. I'm gonna find it, and I'm gonna be good advisor after this course.
What's left now is an acknowledgement and an awareness that the project could go so much further in capacity building the home organisations of the participants and also the placement organisations themselves.
So we really look to the future, and I'm really excited about the future. We're just in the process of completing the evaluation report, and hopefully we can start looking at future funding applications to other funders. I think it's a unique programme, so there wouldn't be many of these types of programmes elsewhere in the country, and hopefully we will be able to work closely also with London Borough of Hackney, Yvonne Parish, who's been really supportive, and we managed to get some funding through the council to help with the course. So we will be going back to talk to the council to see if they have a commitment to continue this type of development and capacity building in the advice sector in Hackney.